Okay, so it's Jake's first Hanukkah, and he just got his present from Grandma and Grandpa who aren't here in person, but they're here on Skype. Hello!
Hi.
And this is what happens. It's a hit. Good job, Grandma and Grandpa.
Press the button.
How do you do it again? You go like this, Jake. Where's the other one? There should be four, huh? Happy Hanukkah! Yay!